Hi kids! Today we are going to draw a super cute tulip flower. Keep watching till the end because a fun surprise is waiting for you. First, let's draw the round tulip flower. Now draw the cute petals. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. A green stem and 2 big leaves. Add a happy face, 2 shiny eyes, a smiling mouth. Tulips are beautiful flowers. They bloom in spring and come in many lovely colors like pink, red, yellow, and purple. Color the stem and leaves bright green. Kids, can you help me make this cute tulip the prettiest flower in the whole world? Amazing! You drew a beautiful, cute tulip. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. Now color the flower soft pink. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos.